It is more by way of reiteration and re-emphasis of some other possibly what I think with respect to open data is a very important agenda item. There is no question that this is extremely laudable and a desirable project needs to be taken forward. Tremendous amount of work has been done. We have, typically when we look at India in various kind of things, including maybe, IT penetration and all that, we are somewhere, below the 50% mark. Here we are among the top 10 in the world. Very good. But I think, given our openness of governance and openness of overall administrative system, we could have done much better. I think one of the things which I feel with respect to open data is the data that we have put today, over 14,000 data sets are there. This is mostly manicured data. This is data which we as departments officially want to make public, and this has been put here. I don't think that is merely the intent. Here the intent is to go one level beyond, and I think this is what Secretary Sir was also saying before he left. There is the wealth of this is we need to feel secure. If you have an online application process going on, you should be able to share the whole data which is being captured from the time, how much time a person takes to fill up the form, to submit it online, and that will give you a whole lot of information about what was the people will analyze this even if you don't do, and give you that your filling application takes so much time, it is much more, and that will possibly prompt you to improve the user interface of your application, or what are the other issues that may come. So there is a whole lot of transactional data that can be made available in its rawest form that would really make richness and analysis of this. The second thing would really be to figure out, one thing which I have been asking our team in NIC is really, we must focus on certain data sets, which are from our understanding, NIC officers, respective ministries, state governments, they should figure out these are definitely hugely, data sets which will be of public interest. If we can't, and that will be certain, but we will still be limited by our own perception as in everything else, So these we should take up on priority, and our request to the data controllers would be, please act as champions of open data within your system and get those data sets available. But let's try to go beyond that, because what people need, let people say, and there could be different ways of eliciting that response. One way could be MyGov, and if I remember correctly, we did actually put it on MyGov, but we must do it more vigorously, get a larger MyGov community engaged with this dialogue, and get them to say, this information, if it was available with respect to mobile phone or with respect to transportation, vehicles or something, would really be useful. And then go back to the ministry and see why cannot that data be, made available. If we could do this, I think, point is, this activity is really about making life more comfortable for citizens without putting that much of effort for us. One simple effort of putting the open data, and so many more things can happen for the people. This would be real e-governance more than anything else. So that's the main point, how can we put more raw data into the open data platform, and how can we get more inputs on what is needed to be put on, is what I would like to say on this occasion. To compliment the NIC team for having organized this. I think we must continue to review this in a 3-monthly or some periodic manner, so that we can continue to move ahead. This is a journey, this is a process. There is a goal is way ahead, long way to go. I don't know if there is a final destination at all in this journey, because open data is more about continuously making more and more stuff available. So all the best, and really look forward to, this is a collective effort, this is a collaborative effort. This cannot happen, NIC definitely cannot do. The NIC, what NIC is doing is make the platform available free of cost. And we will continue to, no matter how big the data grows, our assurance to you would be that this platform be available to everyone free of cost. So this is your big warehouse for whatever data you would like to store. So please make use of it. The NIC cloud will be available, will continue to grow.